how to write 0.1375 as a fraction in simplest form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 410 as a multiplication. Okay, now you need to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction. How to do that? If you want to reduce or simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction step by step, you can divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. So 5 is the common factor between this and this number. If you 5 goes into 13 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 5, 10. 3, 3, 37. 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. 35, 2. 5 goes into 25. Okay. That is, if you divide this by 5, you will get 275. And here if you divide this by, you will get 2. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, you will get 2, and you will get what? 5 goes into 27, 5 times 5, 25, subtract 2, again 5, 5. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, you will get 2, and you will get 1, 1. 11 is a prime number, it has only 2 factor, 1 and 11. 2 times 2 times 4, 4 times 2, 8. 10, 11. This is power of 10. 10 to the power 1 means 10. 8 times 1, 8. Add 0. Look, 11 is a prime number. It has only 2 factor, 1 and 11. You will not get any two number between 1 and 11 that gives us 11. So we can say that 1 and 11 are the factors of 11. 1 times 11, 11. So we are done. Since this is a proper fraction, we have nothing to do.